Most problems out at sea find their origin on land. Coastal landscapes along the Red Sea are littered with plastic bags. Much of this waste is blown out to the ocean, forming a serious threat to marine life. 70% of all turtles in the Red Sea are believed to die from ingesting plastics. Tackling the problem at its core, HEPCA has taken the lead on legislation to ban the use of plastic bags.
الهدف من توزيع الشنط دي ان احنا نبتدي نرفع الوعي البيئي للناس في ان هم لازم يستخدموا الشنط القماش او غيرها اكتر من مره. احنا مش عايزين نطبق قانون، احنا عايزين نغير سلوكيات ونعود الناس على انهم يستخدموا البديل. المصريين عاشوا فتره طويله جدا من غير استخدام الاكياس البلاستيك وكانوا كويسين وعايشين حياتهم ما فيش اي مشكله.
In the south, HEPCA is setting up a comprehensive solid waste management scheme. It's been given the exclusive responsibility for waste collection and recycling in the southern Red Sea. Garbage trucks collect the waste from resorts, delivering it to a central sorting station near Marsa Alam. Here, garbage is separated into glass, metals, plastics and organics, all of which are being recycled.
فيما يخص خططنا المستقبلية في مصنع إدارة المخلفات الصلبة التابع لهيبكا، إن إن شاء الله حنبدأ في تشغيل وحدة إعادة تدوير البلاستيك اللي هي حالياً تم تركيبها في المحطة خلال هذا العام، واستكمال ضم باقي المنشآت السياحية في جنوب البحر الأحمر لتكون عاملة مع تقوم جمعية هيبكا بخدمتهم إن شاء الله.
And the waste of some is food to others. The HEPCA trucks deliver the organic waste directly to some of the Bedouin communities living along the coast. Persistent droughts are making it harder for them to feed their goats, which means the organic material is more than welcome.
كل حاجة بنجيبها ناشفة لينة، أي حاجة بنجيبها من تحت القرى بس. ما فيش حاجة نصرف لها في الجبل ولا حاجة. نرهبك تمام التمام، احنا استريحنا على كده. يعني حاجة بنوديها بيجيبوها لنا من عند البيت وبنفرزها، بياخذوا حاجاتهم واحنا بناخذ حاجاتنا. بس.
I think we started to learn more and more that we cannot ignore the main element within these national parks, which are the people. That's why I think HEPCA started to give more attention to projects to do with the social condition and social element concerning these people, their livelihood, their health, education, all the aspects that it would be very unfair to ignore within our work.
One such project is the one HEPCA is running in Shalatin, close to the border with Sudan. These women, also mostly from Bedouin tribes, are supported in producing handicrafts which provide them with a vital source of income.
لأنه 120 السيدة اللي عندي يعني أغلبيتهم أو 90% أرامل، وال10 التانيين برضو معيلات، اللي زوجها هاجرها، اللي مطلقة وعندها أطفال، فعايزة دخل مستمر للسيدة.
Handicraft workers receive professional training here in branding, marketing, and enhancing their products. Another new area for HEPCA's work is that of scientific research. Internationally renowned coral scientist David Obura is collecting data on the fringing reef south of Marsa Alam. His research, comparing the resilience of Red Sea reefs to global warming with that of other areas in the world, is in part facilitated by HEPCA.
In my experience, it's been very valuable to work with NGOs supporting us in doing our research on marine protected areas, because when we do that, there's an agency directly involved on the ground or in the water, so that when we have our results and we talk with the people on the ground, they'll take it forward and they'll implement some of the findings that we come up with.
Apart from collaborating with existing science programs, HEPCA now also intends to initiate its own research projects.
If you want to have convincing conservation and achievable gains in the field, what you need to do is have science as the foundation of this conservation.
One crucial step has been fitting out the MV Red Sea Defender as a state-of-the-art research vessel. With its high fuel efficiency, long-range capability, and facilities such as on-board laboratories, the MV Red Sea Defender will be able to conduct research in the It provides an ideal platform from which to conduct research throughout the Red Sea. And this site, close to Marsa Alam, will soon become the home of a new HEPCA research station co-funded by the Italian government. With direct access to one of the most spectacular reef ecosystems on the planet, its facilities will cater to teams of Egyptian and international scientists.
I think it's a very significant step forward for Egyptian science, but also marine science globally, because it's going to be easier and better access to Red Sea environments through this HEPCA research station.
But HEPCA's core strength is still formed by its member organizations, which include a diverse range of hotels, resorts, and dive operators. They help by providing logistical support, educating the public, and reporting violations.
Nous avons l'avantage d'avoir un bateau en mer tout le temps, chaque semaine, qui part en croisière avec des guides qui sont formés dessus et qui expliquent tout ce qu'ils voient chaque jour sur la mer. Nous supportons HEPCA parce qu'il est très important d'être actif, de ne pas laisser faire les choses. Et quand il y a des gens qui sont motivés et qui sont impliqués, il faut absolument les suivre. Donc on le fait pour l'avenir, pour l'état de la mer, pour notre travail, pour nos enfants.
Dive operator Michal Staderman has been studying the behavior of dolphins in the Hurghada area for over a decade. His work, supported by HEPCA, feeds into developing and adapting measures to protect dolphin populations.
In einem so stark boomenden touristischen Gebiet, wo das Meer eigentlich die Anziehungskraft ist, die die Menschen hierher bringt, muss bedeutend mehr Aufklärung betrieben werden. Also wir brauchen eine Aufklärung bei den Leuten, aber ganz speziell die Guides und die Kapitäne, die auf den Booten sind, dass die eine größere Distanz halten zu den Tieren und sie nicht so gestresst werden.
At least here, at the marine reserve of Samadai, the animals find refuge. This dolphin sanctuary is the result of a collaboration between HEPCA, the National Park Authority, and local partners. After nearly 2 decades, HEPCA has become an important player in the protection of the Red Sea. With ever-increasing environmental pressure, its role is now more relevant than ever before.
المسألة مش مسألة شمس وبحر، الشمس والبحر موجودين في كل حتة في العالم. البحر الأحمر بيتميز عن أي حتة تانية في إن هو فيه أكتر من 1200 فصيل من فصائل الأسماك، وفيه أكتر من 800 فصائل من الشعب المرجانية، وهي دي اللي بتميزنا عن أي مكان آخر في العالم. ده الهرم، ده أبو الهول، ده المتحف المصري اللي موجود عندنا، اللي احنا لازم نحافظ عليه. وإذا كنا احنا ما احناش عارفين كده، يبقى احنا أكيد مش عارفين حاجة.
Caring for the Red Sea is not a luxury anymore. People have to move from the passive status that they're in to a more active status. We have to leave the public awareness phase and move forward the action phase. It's not only affecting the ecosystem now, but will have a devastating impact on our economy. People have to take an action, and they have to take it now.
HEPCA was born from the passion to protect a place of magical beauty. It needs all of our support to care for the Red Sea on behalf of those who live in its waters and along its shores.